Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we'll create a lightning using the turtle, and it will be totally random. It will create the lighting by its own. So okay, first we'll like to import turtle because we're gonna be using turtle. Then we would like to import random because the thunder will be made at random. So we'd like to write t equals t dot no turtle dot turtle. Yep, then we'd like to write t dot speed 0. Then we'd like to write t dot width 3. Then we'd like to write t dot color cyan, like turtle's color, like thunder's color is cyan. Then we'd like to write turtle dot bg color black. Then we'd like to write t dot pen up. Yep, and then we'd like to write t dot goto from 0 to 200. Then we'd like to write t dot pen down. Okay, then we'd like to write for this in range 25 times. We'd like to write x equals t dot x core brackets plus random dot rand int from -30 to 30. Okay, then we'd like to write, let's just copy it up. We're gonna change many things. Now it will be y equals t dot y core minus random rand int from 10 to 25. Yep, and then we'd like to write t dot goto x and y. Then we'd like to write turtle dot done. So okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. So you see guys, it made a random thunder. So okay, if you don't believe that it's random, as you see, if you run it one more time, it will be totally different. So let's run it one more time. As you see, it's totally different. So okay guys, it was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.